To add your shoulder protector wings to the Carrot, you must first remove the chest harness at the rear of the Carrot. Your next step will be to remove the actual headrest. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove 2 screws located at the rear of the headrest. After your 2 Phillips head screws are removed, simply slide the headrest into the shoulder protector wings. You're then ready to install your 2 Phillips head screws back into the headrest. Once you have installed the shoulder protector wings back onto the seat back of the Carrot, you are ready to reinstall your chest harness straps. Simply feed the chest harness straps through your headrest. To attach your harness pad cushions, go ahead and attach to the back of the headrest.